everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to add countdown widget in your iPhone. So let's begin. The first step that I want you to do is open your app store and search for countdown. Download the app. Here, after you finish installing the app, go and open it. Then select new countdown. After that, you can just give a name to your countdown and select the date and time as you want. You even get to pick your selected color. After picking the color, just select save and you'll have your countdown set. There is even a feature of adding notes to your countdown. Let me just add a note which says daily reminder. And that's it, my countdown has now been set off. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also leave a comment down below.